Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I do to style my hair like this. So every time you watch my videos and ask me like how I maintain curls, what products I use and all that, and this is exactly what I follow. I've shared everything, and I kind of find it like, I like curls now more than like straight hair. Obviously I did keratin, but still I prefer bouncy and voluminous curls on my hair. So let's jump into the video and see exactly what I do to get this curls on my hair. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Binisha. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's jump into the video. Okay, I've washed my hair, and this is exactly how it looks with all the waves, even though I got keratin done 3 months ago. And yeah, this is freshly washed. It is like 40% dry, and now's the time I used to heat style my hair, and I'll show you what all products that I use. And the first one that I currently use is from Olaplex. This is the number 6 bond smoothener. So this is my second bottle of this product. It looks good, smells good, but at the same time the quantity is like very small, but the product is really good. Works very well for my hair, and yeah, I kind of like it. And the best part is that I don't usually apply a separate product to hold my curls, right? But whenever I feel like I apply the bond smoothener, my hair curls that I do tend to stay a bit better. So that is why I always try to move to this one. So I use it on wet hair because that way I feel the product that is used is kind of less compared to what I used to do in dry hair. Because if I apply it in dry hair, and there are like a lot of product that is required, whereas in wet hair it's like less product that you need, and it's easy to spread as well. So yeah, that way you don't over apply your product, and your hair also does not turn greasy very soon. Now when that is done, the next product that I am going to be using is from Olaplex, and it is number 7 bonding oil. So this is actually a heat protectant, and you hardly need like 2 to 3 drops, and that is all that I use for one side. So I have quite thick hair, right? So always I feel I might need a little bit extra, but if you don't have this much of volume, then you just need like 2 drops. But I'm just taking 3 for each side. And again, even this product works really well if you apply it on wet hair, and your hair smells so good once you apply this, and that's like the favorite part for me in this product. That's it. Now I'm going to be drying my hair a little bit and then start curling. Now once you've applied all the products, take a brush and just comb it through. So this is the wet detangler brush. This is one of like the softest brushes that I've used, so I know it's very gentle on my hair, and I don't have any hair breakage or anything. So it's very important to comb your hair after you applied all the products, so that the products all get dispensed easily on the hair. So sectioning my hair like this, and I'm going to be drying it out with my Dyson Airwrap. So now that this is almost 90% dry, so now is when I'm going to curl my hair. So with Dyson, you just have to divide your hair into 2, tie one section behind, and then start curling one side. And with this section, I'm going to be dividing it into 2. Okay, now I'm not going to be explaining how I do this, because I've already done a video where I've showed you guys this on how I do it with Dyson. So I'm just going to quickly forward what I'm doing now. Okay, now my hair is done styling. So if you wonder what I used, so I used the Dyson barrels, and this is the 30 barrels, and this is the long barrels. The one which comes with the set was kind of short and it was not very appropriate for my long hair. So everyone who's having long hair, then you will definitely have to go for the long barrels, because this is more appropriate, and easy to do for longer hair compared to the shorter ones. And yeah, this is how nice and bouncy my curls look like now. Because I have keratin on and because my frizz levels are like less, I love using the Dyson and it works beautiful on my hair. But by the time the keratin kinds of owns out and there is like a lot of frizz in my hair, then trust me, the Dyson Airwrap is not very pleasing to look on my hair, because I get a lot of frizz and everything on my hair and it doesn't look nice at all. So in that case I use my straightener. So using a straightener to curl my hair. Otherwise this looks perfect and I absolutely love how my hair looks like. And so this is like a blowout kind of look. So this is not like something which a curler will give you. So this is like more of a blow dry kind of look, and it will stay kind of like for the day, and even like the next day you can find like loose curls on your hair. So this is how I like to do my hair. That's it. That is how I style my hair every time I shower, and this is the exact routine I follow to get these really bouncy curls that you see often on my channel. So no haircut is gonna look so perfect without styling. That is something I seriously learned over the years. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.